The United States ambassador to the United Nations has accused the UN of aiding what she described as a corrupt government in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Nikki was addressing the Council on Foreign Relations when she accused the Kinshasa government of preying on its citizens. Haley's comments come just 2 days before the Security Council prepares to renew MONUSCO's mandate, and that's before it expires at the end of this month. And the UN is yet to respond to the allegations, but its planned renewal comes amid UN warnings that violence is spreading across the DRC, this ahead of elections that must take place before the end of 2017.
In the Democratic Republic of Congo, for example, the government is corrupt and preys on its citizens. At the same time, the UN peacekeeping mission is mandated to partner with the government to consolidate peace and security. In other words, the UN is aiding a government that is inflicting predatory behavior against its own people. We should have the decency and common sense to end this.